Hi, this quick video tutorial will help our students know how to complete the Common Application and then match it in Naviance so that we're able to upload transcripts and recommendations in the Common Application. So first of all, students, you've logged in, you've created your account in Common App, and you have your colleges listed over to the left-hand side. When you open up one of your colleges here, you'll see three different parts to that college. The first one is going to say questions, and those questions are going to be unique to that university. The second thing is called recommenders and FERPA, and that's the part that we're going to talk about today. Once you do this one time, you'll get a green check for all of the colleges in your list. All right, so FERPA stands for the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act. And basically what that means is the first thing you have to do is give us permission to share your academic information with the colleges that you requested. And so these are things like transcripts, recommendations, speaking about you as a student in our environment. And so you're going to want to read through this and click the explanation that you've read it. And then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to authorize that every school that I have attended can release my school information for purposes of admission. And then the second thing you're going to decide is you're going to want to decide if you waive your rights to review all recommendations and supporting documents, or you do not waive your rights to review all recommendations and supporting documents. Each student has the choice. You can decide if you want to see this information after the application season is done. You can read your teacher's recommendations and see any other supporting document that was sent on your behalf. What I will tell you is most common practice is that students choose to waive their right to review. This tells the colleges that you're confident in the information that your teachers and your school officials are sending on your behalf, that you have no concerns about seeing that information, and that the teacher and the school officials have permission to speak freely. One thing I shared with the classes today is that teachers and Blue Valley West staff are not in the business of writing poor recommendations for students. So any student of ours that feels shouldn't feel concerned about waiving this right. It is always your choice to make, so that's something that you would want to choose which one you want to choose, and then know that once you make that choice and submit it to Common App, you can't change your mind. So your teachers will know if you have waived this right or not when they write and upload your recommendations. Common practice is to waive that right, but I think sometimes it's confusing because of the way it's worded. So you'll go ahead, you'll read through, you'll sign, then you'll check the box that you understand you can't make a change. Once it's done, you'll save that, and then you'll see that green check pop up back on that FERPA release page. Like I said, that's good for each of the universities in your list. And once you've got that green check under the FERPA box, then you can go into Naviance and you can match your Common App account in Family Connection. So this is the colleges I'm applying to list. You click Match Account, and then you're going to enter the email that you used for your Common App account. That's as easy as it is. If you have questions or need any help with this, feel free to stop into room 315 in the Blue Valley West Counseling Department.